Hi, my name is Hamza Sakat. I'm the Director of Solutions Architecture at Upsella, where we collaborate with enterprises through their digital transformation and network architecture journeys. Upsella stands for Application Acceleration. We work closely with enterprises running hybrid IT to deliver an application delivery and acceleration platform. We do that by leveraging several technologies and products like CloudHubs, software-defined networking, next-gen security, and data and analytics platforms. Today we'll talk about CloudHubs and why deploying them is the perfect network architecture strategy for companies running hybrid IT that depend on some level of cloud infrastructure or applications. So what are CloudHubs? A Cloud Hub is basically a physical presence within a carrier-neutral data center or co-location facility. So an enterprise deploying a Cloud Hub is basically deploying resources like compute and storage, networking, or security within these carrier-neutral data centers like Equinix or CoreSite or CyrusOne or Digital Realty or so on and so forth. Once these resources are deployed, the enterprises can use low latency connectivity to interconnect these communication hubs or cloud hubs and make them a core component of their IT infrastructure. So what are Upsella UpHubs? An Upsella UpHub is an Upsella owned and managed cloud hubs. UpHubs offer a wide range of services like compute and storage, networking, security, and they're deployed in 41 countries and 185 markets. So Upsella has deployed over 70 of these cloud hubs, which we call UpHubs. UpHubs stand for an application hub, as their main goal is to accelerate application performance by bringing the applications close to the end user and distributing the security environment. So one question that we get a lot is, what is the difference between an UpHub and a traditional cloud hub? So simply think of an UpHub as a cloud hub on demand. When enterprises decide to deploy cloud hubs, they have a choice between going in a DIY model, in which they can go procure rack and space from a co-location facility. Then they can use the provider's marketplace to deploy services like compute, like routing, and things like that. Once those are deployed, they then have to figure out the connectivity to connect the cloud hubs and bring them into their network, integrate them, then manage them. In an Upsella model, all they have to do is really request a cloud hub and they're deployed on demand. So an enterprise can have a high level of agility by deploying these UpHubs on demand wherever they need to deploy them. They can use an Upsella portal to request different services or products like these compute resources, or like the routing and switching, or like software-defined WAN or security, and get them deployed. Another cool component about the UpHubs is that they're all interconnected in a high availability and low latency mesh network. So the connectivity is already present, and enterprise can just take advantage of that in any of the regions in which we operate. Another core component of these UpHubs is that they're very strategically deployed within cloud-heavy and internet-heavy data centers. That brings the applications a lot closer to the end user and allows companies to use these UpHubs in a cloud strategy and as they're moving into a distributed infrastructure. So they're a perfect architecture approach for companies with hybrid IT and resources right in a cloud infrastructure.